Good morning everyone. Today we will do chapter 9 exercise 9.1. We will start from the question number 6. See the question, which of the following pair represents same rational number? We have to tell from between these number which one is the same rational number. So for that we will do, first we will observe rational number whether it's a positive or negative. Now from first part it is very clear that first rational number 7 upon 21, this one is a negative. It means minus 7 upon 21 is a negative rational number, and 3 upon 9, that one is a positive rational number. And negative rational number and positive rational number are never equal. So that is why they are not same rational number. You can reduce it into lowest form also. See how? Minus 7 upon 21, if we cancel it on the table of 7, we will get minus 1 upon 3. And 3 upon 9, when we will cancel it on the table of 3, we will get 1 upon 3. So, first is minus 1 upon 3 and second one is 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3, that is negative, and this one is a positive. So both are not equal because negative rational number and positive rational number are not same. So we will write in answer, they are not same rational number. They are not same rational number. Why they are not same? Because this rational number is negative rational number and this one is a positive rational number. Positive rational number and negative rational number are never same. Next part. Now see minus 16 upon 20 and 20 upon minus 25. Now if you will see carefully here, negative sign in a denominator. Upper side is a numerator and this one is a denominator. Now negative sign in a denominator, we will shift in a numerator. Whenever negative sign in a denominator, we will change its position to the numerator. Now first we will reduce it into simplest form by cancellation. Now I am going to cancel on the table of 4, minus 4 upon 5, then 20 upon minus 25. 20 upon minus 25, we will shift that negative sign to the numerator. Now we will cancel it on the table of 5, minus 4 upon 5. Now both are same, minus 4 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5. Both are negative rational number, both are same. So our answer is yes, they are same. Answer, are they same? Yes, they are same rational number. Next, minus 2 upon minus 3 and 2 upon 3. Now both is negative sign. Now both are dividing. We will cancel it. Negative, negative, cancel it. We will got 2 by 3 and this one is also 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So our answer is yes, both are same. You can do the cross multiply also. Then you will get the same answer that we will do in the question number 7. Now minus 3 upon 5 and minus 12 upon 20. Now minus 3 upon 5, it is already in the lowest form. We will change minus 12 upon 20 in the lowest form by dividing it in the table of 2. Now again on the table of 2, you can direct cancel it on the table of 4 also. So minus 3 upon 5. Now first is minus 3 upon 5 and the second one is also minus 3 upon 5. Both are same. So our answer is yes, they are same rational number. You will write the full line. Fifth part, 8 upon minus 5. Now minus sign is in denominator. You will shift in numerator. So we will get minus 8 upon 5. Now it is already in the lowest form. We will not change. Now next is minus 24 upon 15. Now we will cancel it on the table of 3. So both are same. Minus 8 upon 5 is equal to minus 8 upon 5. So our answer, yes, both are same rational number. Both represent same rational number. 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 9. Clearly from here, it is positive rational number and this one is a negative rational number. Positive and negative never equal. So you can write direct that positive rational numbers are not equal to negative rational numbers. So answer, no, they are not same. Minus 5 upon minus 9 and 5 upon minus 9. Now we will do question number 7 here. Now in 7th part, first we will solve minus 5 upon minus 9. Minus minus both will cancel out. Negative negative cancel out. So we will get 5 upon 9. And the next is 5 upon minus 9. That negative sign in denominator we will shift in numerator, minus 5 upon 9. So one is positive and other is negative. So they are not equal. I have put the sign of not equal. How? Just put a sign of equal to and draw a line, slant line. You will get not equal to. So our answer is whether they are same or not. Answer is no. They are not same because one is a positive rational number and other is a negative rational number. Now we will do question number 7. 7th question. Rewrite the rational number in simplest form. Now we have to write these rational number in simplest form, means reduce into simplest form by cancellation. Minus 8 upon 6. Now we will cancel it on the table of 2. Now I will get minus 4 upon 3. So our answer is minus 4 upon 3. This one is the simplest form. It's very simple, just we have to cancel it. 25 upon 45. Now I will cancel it on the table of 5. I will get, so answer is 5 upon 9. Now third part, minus 44 upon 72. Cancel it. You can directly cancel it. I am cancelling on the table of 2. Again you will cancel it. It's not necessary to show the division. You can do orally. So answer is minus 11 upon 18. Then minus 8 upon 10. Again on the table of 2. So answer is minus 4 upon 5. Now we will do question number 8. Next question, question number 8. Fill in the boxes with correct symbol. We have to put the symbol less than, greater than or equal to. Now from the first part, this one is a minus 5 upon 7, that is a negative rational number. And 2 upon 3, this one is a positive rational number. And from positive and negative, positive rational number is always greater than a negative rational number. Positive value is always greater than a negative value. So directly I put the sign without solving this part. Now next, minus 4 upon 5, minus 5 upon 7. Now both are negative. How we will do? If both are negative, that which one is a greater and which one is a smaller. For that question, we will do cross multiply. See, 7 will multiply with minus 4, but we will write it on the left hand side, not on the right hand side. Otherwise, it will go wrong. So 7 minus 4 into 7 multiply, we will write on left hand side. 5 multiply with minus 5. Now I will get minus 28 minus 25. Now both are negative. Now if both are positive, from 25 and 28, 28 is greater, that we know. But if both are negative, then the minimum value, minimum numerical value is the maximum value. So with the negative sign, minus 25 is greater. If minus 25 is greater, it means move upward. Minus 5 upon 7 is greater. So our answer is minus 5 upon 7 is greater. So we will write minus 4 upon 5 less than minus 5 upon 7. Now minus 7 upon 8, 14 upon minus 16. Now negative sign in denominator, but we will shift in numerator. I am doing here. You will do in the next line. Minus 14 upon 16. Now you can do the same method, the previous method, by cross multiply, but remember negative sign you will shift towards the numerator. Other method, you can cancel it if it is possible. Minus 7 upon 8, it is already in the lowest form. Minus 14 upon 16. When I will cancel it on the table of 2, I will get minus 7 upon 8. So this one is minus 7 upon 8 and this one is also minus 7 upon 8. So both are equal. Minus 8 upon 5, minus 7 upon 4. Now I cannot cancel it because both are in lowest form. So I will do cross multiply. 4 multiply with minus 8, or you can write minus 8 into 4. Then 5 multiply with minus 7, you will write on the right hand side. 5 multiply with minus 7, I will get minus 32 and then minus 35. Now negative value, if both are negative value, then minimum is a greater. So minus 8 upon 5 moving upward, minus 8 upon 5 is the greater value. Now fifth part, 1 upon minus 3 minus 1 upon 4. Now here minus sign is in denominator, we will shift in numerator. Minus 1 upon 3 and it will become minus 1 upon 4. Both are negative, we will do cross multiply. 4 multiply with minus 1, minus 1 into 4, and 3 multiply with minus 1. We will get minus 4 and minus 3. So between minus 3 and minus 4, which one is greater? The minimum value, that is minus 3. Moving upward, which one is greater? Minus 1 upon 4 is greater from minus 1 upon 3. Now 5 upon minus 11 and minus 5 upon 11. Again we will shift that sign to the numerator. Now both are same, so we will put equal to sign. Both are same rational number. Now one is positive, one is negative. From positive and negative, positive is always greater than a negative rational number. Now question number 5th, that 5th part I will tell you another method also. 1 upon minus 3 and when I will shift in numerator and minus 1 upon 4. You can do one more method. How? By taking the LCM of 3 and 4. First you will take the LCM of 3 and 4. That will become 12. Now what you have to do? You have to make that denominator 12. You have to multiply 3 with 4, numerator and denominator, and you will get minus 4 upon 12. This is the another method. You can do in this method also. Minus 1 upon 4. Now again you will multiply with 3. Why I am multiplying with 3? Because I want denominator 12. What is 12? 12 is the LCM of the denominator 3 and 4. So I have to make denominator 12. So I have made minus 4 upon 12 and minus 3 upon 12. Now minus 4 upon 12 and minus 3 upon 12, which one is greater? The minimum value, that is minus 3 upon 12 is greater, and what is that? Minus 1 upon 4. So answer is minus 1 upon 4. So there are another method also by making the denominator the LCM digit, that is 12. So now we will do question number 9. Ninth question, which is greater? Now 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 2, we will do cross multiply. 2 into 2. When we multiply 2 into 2, we will write on the left hand side. 3 multiply 5 on right hand side. 4, 15. Which one is greater? 15. So it means 5 upon 2 is greater. Moving upward, 5 upon 2 is greater. So we will write 5 upon 2 is greater. Minus 5 upon 6 minus 4 upon 3. Again cross multiply. 3 multiply with minus 5. We will write on left hand side. 6 multiply minus 4 on right hand side. Minus 24 minus 15. So from minus 15 and minus 24, the minimum value is greater. So minus 15 is greater. Moving upward, minus 5 upon 6 is greater. Minus 5 upon 6 is greater. minus 3 upon 4, 2 upon minus 3. Now negative sign in denominator we will shift in numerator. Minus 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3. 3 multiply with minus 3. 4 multiply with minus 2, minus 9, minus 8. The minimum value is greater, minus 8 is greater. Moving upward, 2 upon 3. 2 upon minus 3 is greater. Now minus 1 upon 4 is negative, 1 upon 4 is positive. So positive rational number is always greater than a negative rational number. 1 upon 4 is greater. You can do cross multiply also, you will get the same answer. Now this one is a mixed fraction. First we will change it. 7 multiply 3, that is 21. 21 plus 2, that is 23. 23 minus 23 upon 7. 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Minus 19 upon 5. Now again you will do cross multiply. Both in numerator. Minus 23 into 5. Then minus 19 into 7. I will get minus 115 when we multiply here. Then so minus 115 and minus 133. So which one is greater? Minus 115. That one is greater. Moving upward, minus 3 2 upon 7 is greater. So next question, question number 10. Question number 10. Write in ascending order. Now you know very well ascending order means from smaller to bigger. We have to select the value from the smallest to the biggest term. Now first part, minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. If you will see it carefully, it is already in ascending order. How? Now minus 3 upon 5, that is the smallest value, because negative, if negative sign is there, the maximum value is the minimum. So minus 3 upon 5 is the, and then minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. So our question is also answered. It is already in ascending order. So we will write ascending order, that is minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, and then minus 1 upon 5. Now next question, second part, 393. Now if you will see, the denominator in each case are different. 393. Now here the denominator was same, so I have not changed anything, but here denominator are not same. So first we will take the LCM of denominator. So LCM of 393, that is 9. If we will take LCM 393, that you can do on a rough work, you will get 9. How? I will show you. Then 3 multiply 3, that is 9. So LCM is 9. In this way you will find LCM. Now next step, minus 1 upon 3. What you have to do? You have to make the denominator the LCM. So the LCM is 9. I have to multiply minus 1 upon 3 to get 9. I will multiply with 3. I will get minus 3 upon 9. Minus 2 upon 9. Now in denominator, that is already 9. So no need to multiply with any digit. Next is minus 4 upon 3. We have to make denominator 9. We will multiply on the table of 3. Minus 12 upon 9. Now if you will see carefully, now in each case denominator is 9. Now minus 3 upon 9, minus 2 upon 9, minus 12 upon 9. Ascending order means from the smaller to biggest. We have to see which one is the smallest value. Whenever there is a negative sign, the maximum value is the minimum. So minus 12 upon 9, smallest value, and then minus 3 upon 9, and then minus 2 upon 9. But we have to write in the form of question. What is the question? So I will write ascending order. Now minus 12 upon 9. It was minus 4 upon 3. So first I will write minus 4 upon 3, then minus 3 upon 9, minus 3 upon 9 in the form of quotient, it was minus 1 upon 3. Then moving further, minus 2 upon 9, it was already minus 2 upon 9, so we will not change it. So our answer is minus 4 upon 3, then minus 1 upon 3, then minus 2 upon 9. Now third part, now see here 7, 2 and 4. Now we have to take the LCM of 7, 2 and 4. Not necessary to show, you can do on a rough book. Now multiply 2 into 2 into 7, that is 28. So it means our LCM of 7, 2 and 4 is 28. LCM of 7, 2 and 4, that is 28. So what I have to do, I have to make the denominator LCM, that is 28. So I will multiply on 4 numerator and denominator minus 12 upon 28. Now minus 3 upon 2 multiply, I will multiply on 14 to get the denominator 28. So multiply 14 into 3, that is minus 42 upon 28, then minus 3 upon 4. Again I have to make denominator LCM. So now I have to observe from this number that which one is the greater. Ascending means from smallest to biggest. Now minus 12, minus 42, minus 21. All are in negative. So the maximum value is the minimum. So minus 42, ascending order. Minus 42 upon 28. Then minus 21 upon 28. And then minus 12 upon 28. Now what I have to see, quotient minus 42 upon 28, that is minus 3 upon 2, minus 21 upon 28, that is minus 3 upon 4, then minus 12 upon 28, that is minus 3 upon 7, that is our answer. Today we will do till exercise 9.1 question number 10. Next we will do next time. Till then, bye, take care.